Hi students, today in our class we are going to learn about how to create a table in MS Access. In our previous classes we have discussed about how to create a database in MS Access. Then how to create table. To create a table we have two methods. There are two ways to create database in MS Access. Actually, in order to store data in the database, we use tables. Table is the combination of rows and columns. Here in this diagram you can see the highlighted, the column C2, you can see the highlighted vertical set is known as column and the horizontal set is known as a row. We can give column names for the first cell for every column. Then in order to create a table, we have two ways. One is creating a table using design view. Second one is creating a table from data sheet view. We have two types of views. One is design view and data sheet view. First, we create a table using data sheet view. In order to create that, first we have to click on create tab. We have to click on create tab. In the picture you can see we have create tab. Click on the create tab. Then in tables group we have a table. Tables group we have table. Just click on that table. Then system will display the default table created with table 1. Here you can observe the system will automatically display this table 1, in which by default we have ID and click to add option. To add columns we have click to add, and you can rename this table by clicking on rename column. Double click on column header and enter the new column name as course ID. In this example we can give any name. In this example we are giving course ID. Previously we have only ID, you can observe here, but you can rename the column name. Just right clicking on it, you can give the name as course ID. Then automatically the course ID data type is auto number. Yesterday we have discussed about data types. By default the course ID data type is auto number, and this is the unique key of the table. Next, you can add columns by clicking on add and delete group. Here you can see add and delete group. By clicking on this you can add data of different data types like short text. Here you can see short text, number, currency, date or time, yes or no. These are the data types what we have already discussed. Okay, you can add the columns by clicking on add and delete. You can even delete the added columns. Then column will be added with the default name as field 1. Here you can see automatically the column name will be added as field 1. Click on header and rename as course name. What in this example, first we have given first column as course ID and second column as course name. Then in order to save this new table we have to press Ctrl S. Then immediately we'll get a dialog box like save as. In that it will ask to give the table name. Here the table name we have given is course, and click on OK. Then you can also save new name, caption and short description by clicking on name and caption. Here in this tab under fields tab we have a name and caption. You can give name and even caption. Then After clicking on that name and caption, you will get a dialog box like this. Enter field properties. In that you can give name, caption and description. Then in this way you can create a table by using datasheet view. Here you have given two column names, one is course id and second one is course name. If you want to add or delete, you have a group add and delete. Otherwise you can just click to add. If you click to add, if you click this click to add, immediately you will get a new column. There you can give your own column name. This is about creating table using datasheet view. Next, second method is to create table using design view. Using design view, same process. Click on create tab, click on table from tables group. Then table dialog box appears. In design view, automatically the view of the table is like this, not like datasheet view. It is different. It contains field name, then data type and description. Directly you have to give the field name like course id and course name, and data type like short number, short text or auto number, like that. And you may give or may not give this description. This is optional section. The third section is optional section. Then in order to make this course id as a primary key, you have to click on primary key symbol, which you can see here. This is the icon for primary key where we have a key symbol. By clicking on it, you will just make course id as a primary key, and primary key is a unique key to identify a particular record. Then in order to save the table, you have to press Ctrl S. Immediately it will display the save as dialog box. You have to give the name of the table name and click on OK. Immediately your table will be saved. Then how to switch between this data sheet view and design view? Two types of creating a table using data sheet view and design view. And to switch between these views, we have a button called view button. What it is? View button. Here you can see view button. In this we have datasheet view and design view. If you click on this datasheet view, it will appear like this. And if you click on the design view, it will appear with field name, data type and description. And you can add tables like this. Just you have saw I have created one course table. Similarly you can create more than one table. In this example they have created two tables, course and course strength. And in course you can see here there are two tables, course and course strength. In course we have fields course id and course name. And course name we have four course names: MS Access, MS SQL, PL SQL, MySQL, structured query language. And new course name added by clicking on each row. Since course id is of auto number, the number will be automatically incremented by 1, like 1 2 3 4 5. Automatically when we enter next course name, it will become 5. Then if you want to delete any record or delete any course name, just click on right click on that particular row, right click, you will get these options. Click on delete record, select the row and right click on delete record. Immediately you will get a dialog box whether you want to delete or not. You are about to delete one record, yes or no. Then after clicking yes, automatically the fourth row will be deleted with MySQL as course name. So finally tables are created using two methods. They are datasheet view and design view. Datasheet view displays in the view which allows you to enter raw data into your database table, raw data. Whereas the design view enters data which allows you to enter fields, data types, descriptions into your database table. Hope you all understood this topic of tables. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about forms in MS Access, how to create a form and how to create a form in various ways by using form wizards, etc. Thank you for watching. Thank you.